all examination functionaries to reach the venue at least 2 hours before the commencement of the examination. Examinations are required to be conducted in error-free manner. Instructions of the Commission to be adhered to scrupulously. Seating plans to be displayed at prominent places. Candidates are allowed entry on the basis of e-admit card. Candidates are to be seated strictly in roll number order indicated in the seating plan. Invigilators should not resort to conversation with each other in the examination room. Invigilators to make required periodic announcement in the examination room. All examination functionaries to be vigilant. They should not take a nap or sit at one place during the examination. Both the invigilators should not go out together at the same time. No candidate is allowed to leave the examination room till completion of the allotted time. No candidate is allowed to go to washroom during the last 30 minutes of each session. Important announcement has to be made by assistant supervisor repeatedly over public address system before commencement of the examination, allowing entry to the candidates inside examination premises.
Attention please. Bags, lighters, matchboxes, mobile phones and such IT gadgets, Bluetooth, smartwatches or any other communication devices are not allowed inside the venue premises.
Any infringement of these instructions will entail disciplinary action including ban from future examinations. Candidates are also advised not to take any valuable or costly items to the examination halls, as safekeeping of the same cannot be assured. Commission will not be responsible for any loss in this regard.
Please stand in the queue for frisking.
Entry gate will be closed 10 minutes before commencement of the examination session. Candidates are also not allowed to use or keep their own books, charts, electric slides, log or other tables. Candidates to be given some time to keep the things at specified place at the entrance of the building under the charge of a watchman.
You will soon be given answer sheet.
Make sure it is numbered, properly printed and is not mutilated or torn. If unnumbered or defective, get it changed. Fill in with black ballpoint pen in the top line of the OMR sheet. Name of the center, subject, booklet series, subject code, roll number. Now encode subject and roll number with black ballpoint pen at the appropriate space provided in answer sheet, exactly as it is given in your admission certificate, including zeros if any prefixed to your roll number. Candidates should note that any omission, mistake, discrepancy in encoding or filling in the OMR answer sheet, specifically with regard to roll number and test booklet series code, will render the answer sheet liable for rejection.
You will be getting the test booklets. Do not open the test booklet until signal for commencement is given. Please start.
Open test booklet. Ensure it is not defective. If there are unprinted, torn, missing pages, items, please get it changed with the booklet of same series. On receiving test booklet, write your roll number with black ballpoint pen in the space provided on the cover of the test booklet. Read the directions printed on it. Write in black ballpoint pen the series of test booklet in box after subject in the top line of the answer sheet. Answers may be marked by blackening completely the correct circle A, B, C or D as per example given in the answer sheet. Ink pen is not to be used as it may interfere with the mechanical scoring of the answer sheet. Additional sheets have been attached at the end of each test booklet for rough work. No extra sheet will be provided for rough work.
Half time is over. Five minutes left.
Doors to be closed 5 minutes before each session.
Time is over.
At the end of examination, invigilators to ensure that candidates stop writing and remain in their seats till all the answer scripts of the candidates in the room are collected and accounted for.